Morning, peeps. It is 6 a.m. in Colorado. I'm going to do a video or a series on wiring a high-end home. This is about a $60-80 million build. We'll get to it. This is the mechanical room. They're going to put another platform up here all the way around, take all the furnaces and everything and put them up there, and then we'll have more space for all the pumps and equipment. Crawl space up there. And another access to a crawl space up there. The crawl spaces in this house are amazing. This is the electrical room. There's the panels. There's a lighting panel, mechanical panel, pool and spa panel. MDP is going to go here. It's massive. It doesn't get here until December. These are panels for bedrooms and kitchens and stuff like that. In here we have a gym, which we're calling the Wellness Center, as a spa. Wouldn't be surprised if they put a cold plunge, little dry bar area. Ceilings will not be this high at finish, about 10 foot 6 and 11 foot finished. We use all timber strand on the construction here. I don't use it, I'm an electrician. Bunk rooms, each with their own baths on each side. Closets and storage space. Another closet. This is the media area. I believe the TV is going here. Wine room. This video will be a little dark because I wanted to film this when it's nice and quiet. Here, that's my little workstation. This will be the laundry room and elevator shaft. This house has an elevator. Elevator equipment goes in there. All right, up the stairs. Sorry for the darkness. We have, these are 3 bedrooms. Go ahead and show them to you. It's kind of hard to see. Bedrooms here. This is pretty cool. All the windows are motorized. And nope, not on this one, sorry. Each bedroom has its own bath. Here, bedroom 2. We're pretty early in construction. We've only been here for about a month. You're not going to see anything there. And this is an office. Up the stairs without falling. This will be a outside barbecue deck area. Again, kind of hard to see. Kitchen is here. So that's your kitchen. There'll be an island in the center. And then over here we have dining area here. And here we can see this is all windows. And they're motorized and they go into this cavity here. So the windows will actually go all the way in and store in there. And then you have wide open access. And it's the same in the living room as well. You have the mountains right here and the ski slopes. Just a great view. Really nice view. And then here's a good spot to more kitchen area with sink, speed ovens, stuff like that, convection ovens. Check out this crawl space. If you don't know what I'm talking about, crawl spaces, you can only be 5 foot 6 to finish. So otherwise they would call this a living area, and usually these are a lot lower. This beam would be all the way down here, and you basically have to do the crab crawl all the way through. You can see for me, This is great. I can, just barely hunch when I'm walking through, pulling wire and stuff. Gonna be amazing. Can't wait for it. I'm keeping everything nice and high. This is high-end house, so everything's got to be really clean and tight. So what I'm doing is running my wires up through the pan deck, and then we're putting blocking across with cable brackets to stay code compliant. This one will be mostly AV, so fan coils for the air conditioning out there, and then all AV equipment. So this is massive. Usually you see an AV room, it's like the size of a closet. Nope, not this house. Finish on this house is going to be super high end. And then we're a little dark in here. Let me see if I can get my watch to come on. Maybe. Horrible video. There you go. A little bit of light so you can see. This is the living area here. Front courtyard. Again, with open windows. So you open up all the windows, the courtyard flows right through the house. And then again, open windows. I mean, just killer design. Super high ceilings in here. These ones are staying this high. So just wide open. I mean, just imagine this on like 4th of July and barbecuing. Oh, baby. Maybe the owners will give me an invite. I doubt that. Powder room. This is the actual front entry. You can see the stairs going up here. Again, wide open. Very cool. This house does have 2 saunas, hot tubs, and a spa. And here we have the master bedroom. Excuse me, that was the office, her office. This is the master bedroom. Again, the windows open all the way up. Look at that. Here's the closet. This closet's half the size of my house. Just massive. There would be full LEDs, his and her bathroom or toilets. And then the master bath with a steamer, of course. So that's it. Pretty insane. I've done a few of these houses, and the finishes and design on this one, not a super big house, but the design and finishes on this are off the charts. So that's what I'm going to be filming and taking track of and posting it to YouTube. And then, oh, I forgot the garage. This house is battery backup, no generator. This one. And the garage is dark, but the garage is up there. So that's actually the front of the house is on that side there. So that's it. There you go. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Estimated time is about 2 years. My experience says more like 2.5, 3 years. I'd like to film a lot of the rough end so you can see how these types of houses and houses in general are wired. A lot of people don't see that. The process and the things that we do. The way I do things, I usually try to go above and beyond code if I can, and then the electrical design itself. Let me know what you guys want to see. You want to see us pull the service, you want to see us roughing in the walls, you tell me. And that's all I got. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this. I am going to try and make a series of this. I'm going to make a new page just for this because the one that I'm going to put this on is more firearm related with very little content, but hopefully YouTube will let me get away with this, and you guys can follow me along on the journey. All right, have a good day.